So in Alan Badley's working memory model, we tried this experiment where I asked you to picture the front of your house and count how many windows are on the front. Now, as you close your eyes, right now, your brain is retrieving a long-term memory, something that, right, you've known the front of your house for a while now. It's not something you just learned. And so it's retrieving that picture of your home, and you're now maybe having an inner voice in your head or a phonological loop sort of counting out the windows. And in your head is a voice sort of tallying up how many windows are on the front of your head. That inner voice is like the phonological loop. The picturing of your house is your visual spatial sketch pad. And that's really what Alan Badley did to distinguish working memory from short-term memory. It's more than just your conscious thoughts right now, but it's a place that is retrieving things from your long-term memory and maybe even has distinct parts to it, where it has more of a visual part, an auditory phonological loop or inner voice, and of course a central executive that helps to manage it all. Now, the second thing I had asked you to do in this study to show you how maybe the parts of working memory are a little different is I asked you to count the number of words in the sentence I just said. So go ahead and try and do that. Count the number of words in the sentence I just said. Notice that when you were asked to use your phonological loop or your inner voice to repeat the sentence, most people have to use their hand or their fingers to be able to count the words, because it's difficult for one of these parts of working memory to do two things at once. So another example would even be to try to picture two different things at the same time would be difficult, and it's hard for your phonological loop to repeat a sentence, use your inner voice to repeat a sentence, but also use your inner voice to count up the words like your phonological loop was able to count up the windows. Okay. And just take a moment to look at the window closest to you. Thank you.